Hello boys, welcome to the Elite Model Look World Final Digital Contest.
Hi.
Hi.
Energy, yes. That is very important, okay? So the first thing I want to tell you is congratulations, okay? Feel proud to be here. Feel happy to be here. My name is Ruben. I am Portuguese. I started my model career back in 2005 in the Elite Model Look contest. So I was one of you.
Hi, my name is Adam. I'm 19 years old and I'm representing Slovakia, and I'm really excited and surprised that I'm here.
Hi, my name is Tony. I'm 16 years old. I'm from Czech Republic and I'm very excited that I'm here. It's hard to believe.
Hi, my name is Aline. I'm from Senegal, but I live in Italy. I represent West Africa and Senegal.
So my name is Alvaro Rivas and I'm from Spain. I have 18 years old and this for me is a dream that came true, and I'm looking forward to travel a lot and enjoy this job as much as I can. It's a dream for me.
Hi, my name is Salvatore. I'm from Italy. I represent Italy. I live in the northwest of Italy, not far from Milan, and I'm 16 years old, and I'm excited and happy for this opportunity.
Very good, very good. So I think everyone now knows everyone. We already meet each other. So now I would like to talk you a little bit generally about EML, and then I'm going to talk you about what we are going to do on the next weeks, okay? Elite Model Look is basically how I can say the biggest modeling contest in the world. You know, this is a fact. So in the next weeks, we are going to work, and your work will demand something more than just a beautiful face. We need to go, I need to know who you are. I want to see your personality, and I want to understand how much you want to work as a model. Okay, let's go to catwalk now, because there is a part on your work here on the Elite Model Look. This is a part of your model career. Shows are part of the fashion world, and it's very important you know how to walk. Okay, walking in a show has to look natural. Just be normal, shoulders back, and relax. Okay. Then it's about the speed. I usually say, don't run and don't dive. Then the eyes. You look in front, and you look in the level of your eyes. Then the hands. The hands, they move normal, okay? When you are stopping, you are walking, and then you go slower and you stop. So back, eyes, speed, hands, stop, coming back. About castings, I want to say something. Meeting a client to do a casting or a go-see, it's something really important. So make sure you are ready when your opportunity comes. So you need to bring some energy to that meeting. And about shooting, we want the perfect picture. To get the perfect picture, you need to give your best, and you need to give everything you can, and you cannot be afraid. When you stop, just start to change your eyes sometimes. Where you look. I'm here and you do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I didn't move myself and I did 7 different pictures. And then you turn, you put one hand in the pocket and you do the same. So in the end, when I look to your pictures, I see you are all time changing. And I'm sure that between changes, there is one great picture. You are the finalists of the Elite Model Look World Final 2020. So now, it's very important to give your best. There will be one winner, we know that. I didn't win, even in my own country. I did it, maybe you know, like I didn't do all the shows in the world, but I did a lot. I didn't do all the magazines in the world, but I did a lot. But one thing I know I did was I gave my best. When I lay down and I know I gave my best, it's fine for me. So the only thing I'm going to ask you in the next weeks is to give your best.
Ruben, how did you start with modeling?
I just applied to the Elite Model Look to 2005. I was one of the finalists. I didn't win, but I signed in it. And after 1 year, I was in Paris. And after 3 months, I was in Milan doing the shows. And the years passed, and here we are.
When you were in Elite Model Look, other finalists do you feel them like rivals or co-workers or friends?
My final here was very big, you know, we were like 26 contestants in the national final at the time, 13 boys and 13 girls. And you will see that in the contest, in life, in fashion, everywhere, you have good people and you have bad people. But I can tell that most of my friends from that year were like great people. But Elite Model Look is much more than just a competition, than just a contest, you know. Elite Model Look, it's an experience. It's a life-changing moment. It's not about winning, it's about enjoying.